Hello guys, this is Rizwan Ahmed, and in mathematics, today's our topic is transformation. So, for the transformation, in the first lecture, we will just give you an introduction, like how many type of transformation is possible, and what are the things that you have to remember. First, when we talk about the transformation means change the position, orientation, or size of the shape. You can just remember these things. And look at this diagram. This one shows what? There is a reflection. So reflection means the mirror image of the body. Now, then if we talk about rotation, for the rotation we need a fixed point. And that is called point of rotation. And at last, translation. Translation means change or move the position. Like in all three of the shapes, the important thing is that the size of mirror and object are same. But when we talk about enlargement, enlargement means the shape will be either increase or the shape will be decreased. It all depend on scale factor. Now important things to be remembered for reflection. Reflection means what? Flip or mirror image, or you can call it we need line of symmetry. We need what? Line of symmetry, which are of different type, depend on. Like for example, examiner may ask three type of question regarding reflection. The first one, the possibility of the first one is what? Object and the condition for line of symmetry will be given, and you have to find image of the object. This is very important. Like you have object is given and the condition for line of symmetry is given. Like for example, y is equal to x, y is equal to minus x. You have to draw a line which is called line of symmetry. The second one, both object and image will be given and you have to find line of symmetry. And the last one, you have given a picture and you just have to describe what kind of transformation it is. Like you have to recognize either it's a reflection or either it's a rotation or either it's a translation. So when we talk about the rotation, rotation means what? Rotate. And what is the meaning of rotate? Hmm? Like rotate from a fixed point, either in clockwise or either in anti-clockwise. And for the rotation, we need center of rotation, which is important. If you know the center of rotation, you can easily find out. Okay, what examiner may ask? Examiner may ask what? The object and center of the rotation will be given, and you have to rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise with respect to the given angle. And these given angle might be 90 degree, 80 degree or 270 degree. It all depend on either it's a clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement. So in the second case, object and image both given, need to find center of rotation. So that is the important aspect. And the third one is similar like others. You have to what? Describe what kind of transformation it is. So these are the three possible questions that examiner may ask. So what about the enlargement? Enlargement means change the size of the object. A size might be increased or might be decreased, but the shape of the image, object will be same. And for enlargement, we need scale factor. That is very, very important. Like what are the scale factor are. So what will be the examiner may ask? Same thing, object and a scale factor will be given, and you have to enlarge object by using scale, okay, object, and image will be given, and you have to find scale factor. So there is a second condition, like you have to describe what kind of transformation it is. That is the important one. And the last and important one, translation. Translation means move or change position. Translation, okay, shape by the given vector. Like you have some shape will be given and a vector will be given. So through which you have to change or move the body, or you can say object, okay, and then find out the image of the body. And same thing happen, like the object and image given, need to find vector, or might be object and vector will be given and you have to translate it, and the third one you have to describe. So these are the important. And one thing more, like what about the vector through which we have to translate or need to translation? Let's suppose this is a vector. So everyone know this is the position of x and this one is the position of y. So it all depend on either if x is positive, we have to move right side. But if x is negative, we have to move left side. Same thing, this one is y. So if it is positive, we have to move upward, or if it is negative, then we have to move downward. So hope you like the introduction of the transformation. In the next video, we will discuss in detail about reflection, rotation, enlargement, and then translation. Thank you.